For parts department staff, conducting business online is second nature, but using their stored sales data is nearly impossible. Until now. The next step to sales growth is using data to run a smarter online parts business. This is where easy-to-use business intelligence tools like industry leader PSXLink come into play. Dealers can transform their parts departments by turning data and customer trends into actionable insights and increased revenue and profit. What makes PSXLink even more dynamic than standard BI solutions is that it's both a business intelligence tool and a CRM. This allows growth-minded dealerships to track performance, sales activities, customer interactions, and key data points using interactive dashboards. Navigate growth and empower staff to make proactive, informed decisions that prevent lost business. Track and schedule customer communications with a CRM custom-built for wholesale parts. Receive automatic email alerts with actionable insights. Easily view detailed reports full of meaningful information created for business growth. And quickly identify sales opportunities and growth strategies to help dealers compete against the aftermarket. PSXLink unlocks online parts sales numbers and customer trends, putting parts departments in a position to work smarter and more strategically while improving customer relationships. With PSXLink, dealerships can quickly own their data and turn opportunities into parts sales. If you're interested in running a smarter parts department, visit OEConnection.com to learn more.